It'll be the normal size piece of paper. We won't get poster board paper tests. And on there, I'm going to have a, okay, I'm going to start with a glucose molecule. I'm going to spin 2 ATP molecules on my glucose molecule to phosphorylate both ends. Okay? In the phosphorylation of this, I'm then going to cut the sugar in half, giving me 2 3-carbon molecules that have phosphates on both ends. I'm going to use a little bit of inorganic phosphate, and I'm going to produce how many ATPs? 4 ATPs. In doing so, I'm also going to generate 2 NADH plus H's, and where is this going to go? To the electron transport chain. In the production of glycolysis, I'm going to get 2 3-carbon molecules of pyruvic acid. Okay? So what are my results here? We end up with pyruvic acid, 2 ATPs, 2 NADH plus H's. We're done with glycolysis. Okay? So that's pretty short. Now we're going to move pyruvate, or pyruvic acid, into the electron transport chain. I'm sorry, into the citric acid cycle. Okay? So up at the top it shows you pyruvic acid coming in. We hit it with coenzyme A. It's a 3-carbon molecule. Knock off a carbon dioxide. We've got a 2-carbon molecule called acetyl-CoA. Acetyl-CoA enters into the citric acid cycle, combines with a 4-carbon molecule, makes a 6-carbon molecule. We knock off a couple of carbon dioxides, generate a couple of NADHs, make a little ATP. Rearrange the molecule, knock off some more hydrogens. Okay? End up with a 4-carbon molecule again. What are we left with? What did we make in the citric acid cycle? We made 2 carbon dioxides, 2 ATPs, because we have to go 2 turns. So we end up making 4 of these from the original glucose molecule, right? We also made 1 up here, carbon dioxide left up here. So when you're in here, 2 carbons, 2 carbon dioxides. If you count this one, we got 3 carbon dioxides. We've used all the carbons and all the oxygens, and all the hydrogens have went to the electron transport chain via NADH and FADH2. So those are my 2 electron carriers. We can be done with the citric acid cycle now. Now we move to the electron transport chain. In the electron transport chain, we're going to either start with NADH or we're going to start with FADH2.